evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1646th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. This 1646th installment of these educational videos is coming at you on a Thursday night for trading, Friday, July 14th, 2017. Traders, we've got interesting topics on the board. We've got a green Omni on the board once again, but before we discuss those topics, you must be reminded, if you don't know, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, and is certainly not suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose. You must understand the rules of this game, and you must place stops at all times if you are going to play futures, ETF, stocks, or anything of that nature. Now, we know placing stops is absolutely our best friend, and without our best friend, it's very difficult to navigate through these waters. So always place your stops. Place them first. Know that there could be slippage with stops, but put them in, because in most cases, you get knocked right out of the game where you want to be knocked out. Let's move forward. Traders, green Omni once again, and I'm just going to roll with it. What the heck? If it's going to be there, we will take it, right? Emini, S&P, NASDAQ, green Omni once again for trading on Friday. Stops will be in. This is not the strongest thing in the world that we've seen the last day and a half, but it's solid, and we're going to stay with the green Omni. Then you've got gold and silver underlined in red for a reason. They are bearish according to the Omni. Hold on to your hats if you're trading gold and silver on Friday. NVIDIA. We showed you NVIDIA last night and said we're looking to get long NVIDIA, and it might rally. We got long, it rallied, we got out where we could, and are out of NVIDIA. It was a simple day trade with a small profit. But for trading on Friday, Omni likes Tesla once again. Tesla, TSLA, next on deck for Omni, but notice it's underlined in red. Green Omni, expecting these two to go up, not Tesla. Let me show you some charts and you'll see why. Traders, I offer recommendations live as they happen, 24 hours a day, direct from me. Whatever the Omni wants to do, Oscar's market navigational indicator, when it puts out a trade, when it spits it out, I send you an instant pop-up so that you know exactly what to do and when to do it. This happens day and night. No matter what we're trading, you get notified until we're out of these trades. If that service sounds interesting to you, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Participate in the Omni trades. It is the Platinum membership. Live recommendations at www.livewithoscar.com directly from me and Omni, and you know I'm good at this. It's called the Platinum membership. Come on down and join. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, the NASDAQ, same chart in last night's video, bounced off the Omni, but now we're back inside of this big channel, and bravo for the NASDAQ. So instead of this insanity whipsaw, one day up, one day down, one day up, one day down that we've seen all last week, these are up days in a row, and we might as well stay with it until it stops. So that's your NASDAQ, green Omni for trading on Friday. Same thing with Emini S&P, but Emini S&P looks even better because it's basically challenging its all-time highs and has bounced off the 50-bar moving average. So this chart looks really nice. You can see we're above that line right there. See the little gray line? We're above that. I think you got to like the Emini S&P buying dips on Friday. Then there's gold, and I say hold on to your hats. Omni's selling gold. Gold has been going down since this double top. Nice flag below the 200, went down, made a little baby flag, went down, maybe another possible baby flag, I don't know. But Omni's saying to sell, and down we will expect this market to go before the day is over on Friday. And look at the silver. If you're not bearish looking at the gold chart, look at this silver chart. Look at how tight these channels have been. Runs down in a tight channel, runs up for a little while, runs right back down again in the channel, but now it's branching off into a more steep channel towards the downside. And we've got a red Omni for silver. So I say silver and gold, hold on to your hats. Omni says lower, you got to believe it. Then there is this. NVIDIA, traders. NVIDIA Corporation, I gave this to you yesterday, and what I said was that this looks like it would make a nice day trade, and it could rally all the way up to challenge the previous highs, and it did, and we got out up here, and we're now out of the trade because this could turn out to be a double top. So we no longer want to be holding NVIDIA. If, in fact, it's not a double top, we'll look at it again next week, but we were looking for a day trade. We got a day trade out of it. This could be a double top. No trade on Friday in NVIDIA. However, look at Tesla. Goes back into an OMNI sell signal. And I say some kind of wacky flag right here, right? Why not? This must be some kind of a flag. And we're below the 50-bar moving average. And OMNI's pointing lower. That's enough information for me to tell you we will be selling the rallies in Tesla on Friday. So, traders, you've seen the charts. You've got my technical reasoning why we say stay with the green OMNI once again, emini, S&P, and NASDAQ, but of course have your stops in. Gold and silver, hold on to your hats. Downside coming. No more trading in NVIDIA, at least for a day. Tesla, we're looking for some downside from OMNI. Fantastic analysis from OMNI these last few days, and boy, we hope that keeps up. Traders, again, live recommendations directly from me, the Omni Rex. Come join my platinum membership at livewithoscar.com. Barring that, see you all in my free live trading room. I'll be there all day and night, trying to keep you cats calm and at bay and get us through these rough and tumble markets. Remember, that's livewithoscar.com. And always try to keep your emotions at bay when you're in this game, when you're in a position, when you're playing these markets. I know that is not easy. It needs to be done. I have an exercise to give you that I tell you to try. So say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, livewithoscar.com. Stay cool, and I will see you all there. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.